how to create Ablo account. So if you want to create Ablo account, then first make sure that you have an internet connection. After that, you need to install Ablo application. And now if you want to create an account, you can go with register, which is on the top right. And once you go with register, now it will take you to this kind of interface. So you need to go with your country code. So enter the nationality. After selecting your nationality, you need to go with your mobile number, enter your mobile number, and after that, create your password on the next blank. After creating your password and entering your mobile number, you need to tap on register. After tapping on register, here you need to add avatar if you want to, and then go with your nickname, add a nickname. After that, your nationality, your language, your gender, go with your date of birth, tap on OK, and then go with your gender. And once you've done with all of these, you need to go with submit, and you need to also upload your avatar. So select your avatar. After selecting your avatar, you need to go with submit, which is on the bottom. And once you tap on submit, your account would be created. That's how you can create your Ablo account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.